Hello pool players, just something different today. I'm going to show you some things that I've been working on, and that is to not overthink shots and not get too paralyzed by thought. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to go ahead and try to get in a rhythm. So I highly recommend this. I mean, if this is something that you guys are struggling with, and I know it's probably very common because I just get too tentative and then I miss shots. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm just going to go ahead and shoot some shots. I'm just going to walk around the table, kind of speed pool almost is what it is. I still want to have my fundamentals, working, but I'm not going to really think a whole lot about it. Just kind of bump them in. It's a little bit tricky here. I'm now going to have to come up here with a 5, so see if I can run into that 9. Okay, that worked even better. Didn't know if I could hit that 9 that good. Now I'm still looking at my angles, just to let you know. See, I'm trying to move quickly. I'm trying not to think. When we shoot without thought, that's often the better thing. Now I may miss, and that's okay. Like right now, I'm going to try to play this a little bit tricky. I'm going to go up here and come back with some inside spin, a little inside low, not much low. That's pretty good, pretty good. I just want to get closer to it. Makes it easier for me to make the shot. Now this one here, really it's just a center ball hit. Might have, if I hit it too hard, I'm going to have a long shot in the 7. So I'm going to just try to ease it into the corner. Nice and slowly. Now the 8 ball is a little tricky. I don't think it'll go to the side pocket from here. Oh yeah, it will. Do I want to take that shot? That's a tough shot. I could easily hit the point going on the way in. Or I can try, in this case, I'm going to try to play some nice little position right there. It's a tricky shot. Normally I wouldn't probably shoot this in a game situation. I don't know if I can really pull it off. I'm almost a little too straight, but I'm going to go ahead and try it. I put a lot of spin on it here, got to get the speed right. And it's too short. Way too short, and it was running into the 8. But guess what? It does go there, and I think I can make it. So let's really bear down here. Not a problem. And look at that, nice on the 9. See, I'm going rather quickly. I'm also trying to make sure that I remember to lock that back leg, because I'm trying to ingrain that without thinking about it. So once again, this whole video is about shooting without thought. We have to just let it flow, okay? That's not to say that if you have bad fundamentals, you play with bad fundamentals. I highly recommend not doing that, because what you're going to do there is you're going to ingrain bad habits in your game. And I'm working with someone right now. She's been playing a long time, and she's got some serious bad habits, and it's hard to break her of a few key things that are holding her back. If I could get her to just do a few things right, a couple of things right, she'd be a really good player, really good in our area, and it's frustrating. But my point today is, when we're shooting on our practice table, yeah, we can shoot drills. We can work on our fundamentals, Mighty X drill, work on our stroke, all that kind of stuff. But if you're past that, where you think you have good fundamentals, don't get paralyzed by overthinking as you're going through a rack. Go through quickly during your practice sessions. Don't do these all the time. I actually don't do them all the time. I do about 1 a week where I just simply get on the table and that's all I do. I just throw the balls on the table. I go ball in hand. Get myself started. Let's see if I can run this one out. I'm looking at the angles. I still have to think of that. Got the 3 up here, the 2 down there. That's tricky. Got a really good angle on this 2 ball. Probably right there, so I can come into this area because it's open over here. Get a little straighter. And now move quickly. A little bit too straight. Oop, got a little too straight. That's okay. 9 ball is going to be the issue here. I think I'd like to be over here, and I think I can get there with just some draw. Uh-oh. The 9 ball is the issue. Didn't get there far enough, right? Keep on shooting. I actually should have either been short or here, and go figure. That's why I don't like to draw to position. I'd rather roll forward if I can. Efren Reyes talks about that as well. So what do I do here? I got to think about how I'm going to kick that ball. Either kick safe, because in a 9 ball game, you surely don't want to miss this or you're going to sell out. So let's see what I can do here. Tough. You know, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and kick it and see what happens. See if I can make it. It's about right there. I just feel the angle. And look, I'm not on the 4. Oh, man. I like to kick. I don't know. I'm just better at kicking than I actually am jumping. Although now I've got a jump shot. I wonder if I can kick this one in, though. Let's try it. I could get a safe here, too, as well. Got to miss this 8 ball. I'm looking at the rail right there. I like to do this. I walk over, say, okay, that's where I got to hit it. And now I got to get the spin right because I have to put some running spin on it here. Oh, almost, you guys, almost. Well, okay, let's keep on going. I'm moving quickly. Once again, I don't have to think, right? Okay, I'm going to play some inside here. Don't think. I'm trying to play it for the side pocket. Yep, almost. A little bit too far, so now I'll play it in the corner. Slow hit here. Just a slow hit. Get a little feel there, a little touch. Okay, here I'm going to have to, little spinner. Side pocket. Pretty good. It's a slow hit here, just roll it in. Okay, I'm going to try to go here, and back up here for this 9 in the side. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, well, you know, I try those things. You know, it's the way you have to play. That's tough now. It's really a hard one to see. Got to really bear down here. Oh, I almost missed it. Anyway, you guys, this is how I practice. It gets me right in stroke when I try to go through and speed pool the rack, okay, or the layout. And man, let me know what you guys think of doing this. I usually frown on this, but if you have your fundamentals in place, I believe this is something that you do have to include in your practice regime. Also, please hit the thumbs up. Please share this video. It helps my channel big time, you guys. I love you guys. Definitely share it because I want others to see it, but I also like to see my channel do well as well. Watch this video here if you want to see another great tutorial. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.